everyone.
Good morning, everybody.
Hello, lad.
Hello, Diz.
Morning, lad.
All right, dumper backing, dumper backing.
Morning, Maxine.
Morning, my darling.
Okay, here's what we're going to be doing today. Maxine, you'll be mixing concrete, so get your barrel ready.
Cleaned up and ready to roll, darling.
Lug, get set to shift a mountain of sand.
Shock absorbers to automatic.
Carl, I need you to get some tanks of water across to Maxine.
I am raising my hookey now.
And Carrie, I need you to move those planks.
On my way, boss.
Now, Scooch and Diggs,
Yes.
you just keep your engines idling. I'll be back with your instructions in a minute.
Why do we have to wait? Keeping your engine idling is so boring.
Oh, hey, Diggs, can you do this?
No probs, my two-bumpered buddy. But can you do this at the same time?
Hey, that's really hard. Oh, but wait a minute. I bet you can't do this.
What was that supposed to be?
I was making myself backfire. I bet you can't do that.
This, my fine four-geared friend, is what I call really making yourself backfire.
Oh, is there anything you can't do, Diggs?
Sorry to keep you boys idling. I've sorted out your jobs now. Diggs, I need you to go way over to the other side of the site and clear some concrete chippings. It could take all day, so take on extra fuel if you think you'll need it.
An all-day job? Top gear! I'm on my way. See you later, Scooch. Don't forget to practice that backfiring.
Now, Scooch, Lug will be dumping a very large heap of sand at the dump site. Would you catch some and haul it across to Maxine?
No problem.
But be careful not to go over your max load. First rule of construction, never carry too much. That's my dumper. Mine behind.
Even Diggs wouldn't go over his max load.
Wait a minute. So Diggs wouldn't go over his max load, eh? Maybe there is something I can do that Diggs hasn't done. Hi, Lug. I've come to take some sand across to Maxine.
Well, get into position back there, little dumper, and I'll let some go.
All right.
Oh, don't go over your max load. I've known a few dump trucks who have, and well, let's put it this way. Their exhaust pipes will always be a little closer to the road.
Even Diggs wouldn't go over his max load.
Are you ready back there?
I'm ready.
Here we go. How are you doing?
I'm fine, no problem. A little bit more. Yes. That's fine, thank you. You can stop now.
Thanks, Lug. I'll be off to Maxine. Wait till Diggs sees this. Oh. At last, I'm doing something that Diggs hasn't done. I've up-maxed my max load.
Carl, was that you? Why does everybody always blame me? My exhaust was cleaned out only last week.
Ooh, that's one bad puncture you've got there, Scooch. You'll have to have that replaced.
You mean my entire tire's going to have to be taken off?
It's nothing to worry about. Happens to trucks all the time. Looks like you were carrying too much. What have I told you about your max load, Scooch?
What did you tell him? What do you think I've been blabbing on about for the past 5 minutes? Sometimes I don't know why I bother opening my grill.
Well, never mind. Dump that sand and Carl will tow you over to the tyre port.
Carl, what's going to happen to me?
Well, my little dumb-pen talking friend, there are many ways of dealing with the flat tire. There's the pumpy method, and then there's the takey-offy method, which is why my metal treads are such a constant joy to me.
Thanks, Carl.
Okay.
I hope somebody comes soon. I feel a bit lonely standing here, all on my own.
Scooch!
Dix, is that you?
Who do you think it was? The tyre fairy?
Dix, it's so good to see you.
Oh, what happened?
Oh, I tried to outmax my max load. I wanted to do something you hadn't done, but knowing you, you probably do it all the time.
Oh, outmax my max load? Yeah, every day, mate. Well, once or twice, maybe now and again. Oh, all right, I did it once, but only for a few seconds.
Really?
Well, it's dangerous. Look what happened to you. No offence, mate, but I wouldn't want to bust my tyre.
Oh. Wait a minute. Are you saying you'd never bust a tyre?
All original features are still intact.
Then I have done something that you haven't done. I really wish I hadn't.
Oh, listen, Scooch. You don't have to try and do things that I do. I've done some really stupid things. And besides, I couldn't just calmly sit there waiting for my tyre to be changed. Ooh, I'd be shaking like a pile hammer. Ooh,
Really?
yeah. You're a top truck.
I am?
Don't worry, Scooch. We'll have that old tyre off and a new one on before you know it.
Okay. See you later, Diggs.
See you, mate. And remember, top truck. Ha-ha.
Okay, here we go.
I hope Scooch is okay. Look, here he comes now.
Hey, Scooch. Cool new treads.
Yep.
How does it feel?
It feels fantastic.
Don't you think you ought to test it out?
Oh no. I hope you're not going to suggest that Scooch outmaxes his max speed.
I'm sorry, but that is something I'm definitely not going to do.
Well, me neither. Carrie, I can't believe you'd think such a thing. But the last one to the gravel pit's a rusty wreck.
Oh, well, that won't be me. Wait for me.